Hello, gandang gabi po, Torsky TV po. Ayan, dito po tayo sa Pizza Hub. Ayan. Bili tayo ng two cheese pizza. Ito po yung kanilang mga pizza. Ayan. Meron silang 4 cheese, 14, 36, 360, pepperoni supremo, 360, beef, ham, and mushroom. Yung size 11, 210, size 14, 370. Bacon, ham, and mushroom, size 11, 210. Size 14 ng bacon, ham, and mushroom, 370. Hawaiian Supreme, size 11, 235. Yung size 14, 390. Meaties Overload, size 11, 300. Yung size 14, 430. Yung new super sisig nila ay size 11, 280. Size 14, 390. Yung new creamy spinach, size 11, 300. Size 14, 430. Meron din silang beverage, Coke 1.5, 120 Coke mismo, 300 ml, 25. Iced tea pitcher, 80. Blue lemonade pitcher, 80. Cucumber lemonade pitcher, 80. Bottled water, 500 ml, 20. Meron din sila dito 2 cheese pizza, 170. Ham and cheese, size 11, 170. Hawaiian Delight, size 11, 190. Vegetarian, size 11, 190. Meron din silang pepperoni special, size 11, 220. Bacon special, size 11, 220. Tuna mushroom special, size 11, 235. Meron din silang sweet spaghetti, 75. Carbonara, 75. Creamy pesto, meron din 75 pesos. Cheesy macaroni, 85. Meron din silang meron naman silang wings, 1/2, 299. Mojos, 185. Garlic bread, 60. Ito naman yung kanilang one-piece quarter leg chicken with rice and drinks. Ang letter A ay 169. Yung letter B, one-piece quarter leg chicken with pasta and drink. Letter B, 189. Full meal pizza combos. One-piece quarter leg chicken, pizza, pasta, rice and drinks. Letter A, 249. Yung letter B naman nila, 225. One-piece quarter leg chicken, pizza, pasta and drink. And letter C, 199. One-piece quarter leg chicken with pizza and drink. Brewed coffee nila, 80. Yan. Pwede rin kayo dito magbayad ng GCash tsaka Paymaya. Ayan. Pag magpapa-upsize naman kayo ng ng quarter leg with rice, 20 pesos. Ayan. Tayo.
Amerika.
Ito yung kanilang kainan. Ayan, sa Pizza Hub.
Kumain sila.
Ito yung mga kanilang design dito sa sa Pizza Hub. Ayan. Okay, located to Pizza Hub sa may PTT station, Mabini. Ako yung magpapaalam na po. Torsky TV po. Bye-bye po.